Okay, we made it to Cars and Coffee with our Volvo 544, and we parked right next to
making soup in oil pans, you know, whatever.
Another Volvo.
I still think the best one was when Shelly came home here.
It's a Volvo Swedish Army vehicle of some type.
What are you doing? We have to get rid of it. Mario instantly turned around and
It has a B30 6-cylinder with Stromberg, twin Stromberg carbs under the middle. Really pretty cool. Canvas top. I don't know how the transmission's in the shifter's in the front. Look at that thing. What's this called? What's this called again?
The hard body version was a C303.
Okay.
This one's the TGB 1111, which I can't pronounce the Swedish. It's like Tarangible. It basically means off-road truck.
Oh.
1111, and it was the anti-tank truck.
Yeah.
So it had a recoilless rifle, or this version had a missile launcher on it.
Wow.
This is yours?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Steve. I'm part of the Get Out.
Wow.
Aaron, how you doing?
It's got LED headlights. It's an old missile launcher truck. Look at the dual mufflers. That looks pretty capable.
And look at this trim in nice shape too.
Compared to Steve's Volvo here. We got the Volvo lineup. There's another blue one over there.
Yeah. So it's a little frustrating, and I don't know how to...
Missile launcher.
We were just talking
wow, you never know what you're going to see at Cars and Coffee. What a great day.
That's kind of cool. I didn't know you could. Yeah, I didn't even know that was happening.
I didn't either.
Here's the street rod version of the 544. Actually, this is a 444.
But it was all
The hood scoop.
It was the first time they actually.
Volvos are gearing a lot of attention today. That's pretty cool.
Gas Garage.